Okay, I've replaced my timing belt, 98 RAV4, 230,000 miles. And that terrible noise is fixed completely. Running like new again. And I also had the drive belts changed too. But that's what it was a timing belt.